This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the LD Micro 10th Annual Main Event in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Hank Lambert from PURE Bioscience. It's a publicly traded company with the symbol PURE. Hank, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thanks, Robert. Great to be with you.
It's great to be with you as always. So, for our audience, before we get into that update, let's get an overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
Absolutely. At PURE Bioscience, we are commercializing products as food safety solutions based on our patented antimicrobial technology, Silver Dihydrogen Citrate. We're commercializing our technology in two product lines. Our original product line, Pure Hard Surface, is an EPA-registered food contact surface disinfectant that we are commercializing with restaurant chains and food processors for environmental and surface disinfection. Our second product line, for which we have recently received significant regulatory approvals, is Pure Control, which is a direct food contact processing aid used in the processing of both poultry and produce during processing. So we're right in the middle of commercializing and ramping up revenues with both these product lines.
And we last interviewed you in about September 2017. Let's get an update. What's been going on in the company since then?
Sure. We've been busy. We've had a lot of developments. I guess most significant, in August, we received regulatory approvals that we required from the USDA for use of Pure Control during poultry parts processing. This is very significant in that we are now able to begin testing with poultry processors, applying Pure Control on parts, either as a spray or in a dip tank. We're currently in test with 3 major poultry processors for Pure Control on poultry. With Pure Control on produce, we have been moving forward with Taylor Farms, which was our original customer for Pure Control for produce. They adopted us back in the spring, and we are in the process now of rolling out to Taylor's additional facilities. They have 12 plants in all, and we are working on a rollout plan with them to be in all 12 of those plants. We expect in the next 12 to 18 months. With Pure Hard Surface, we have continued to service the Chipotle chain, which brought us in 2 years ago to address the issues they were having with the norovirus outbreaks in particular at a number of their stores. So we are in use system-wide at Chipotle. We are in test with 2 additional national casual dining chains. We expect to be rolling out to those 2 chains in the next 3 to 4 months. Also with Pure Hard Surface, we have developed a new solution using Pure Hard Surface for food transport sanitization. There are new rules handed down by the FDA under the Food Safety Modernization Act that require food transport companies to sanitize the trucks and rail cars that they use to transport food on a regular basis. So we've developed a unique patent-pending application which enables us to mist a 53-foot trailer, for example, with 15-micron mist of Pure Hard Surface. We can mist for 4 minutes and get into the refrigeration system, the refrigeration unit, as well as mist the entire trailer in 15 minutes. And the trailer is ready to get back on the road. This is a non-toxic application, and we feel we've got a real breakthrough here because what they're currently doing is taking them anywhere from 90 minutes to 2 hours to clean and sanitize a trailer, and they're doing it with highly corrosive, highly toxic chemistries like quaternary ammonia. So we feel we've got a real breakthrough solution here. We've been working with some of the largest food service distributors, and we're very close to having commitments from them to use us system-wide for their food transport fleet. So we're very excited about that, and that's going to be a real catalytic event for us. And then on the financing side, we did a warrant tender offer for outstanding warrants back in October, and we raised $2.6 million. So we feel we have the cash with our projected revenues to get to fund operations and get us to cash flow break even within the next 12 to 15 months.
So I know we've probably asked you this question before, but I figured as a refresher for our audience that may just be coming to the PURE Bioscience story now, what about your products that is different than what was currently available in the markets that you're trying to address?
Sure. We are, with silver dihydrogen citrate, we are able to kill a broader range of pathogens faster than chemistries currently in use in the market today. In the case of food contact surface sanitizers, those would be chemistries like quaternary ammonia or chlorine, bleach, hydrogen peroxide. We are also, a key advantage of silver dihydrogen citrate and pure hard surface is that we're non-toxic. We're non-corrosive to equipment and surfaces. We're odorless, colorless, tasteless. Because we are non-toxic, we don't have to be rinsed off, and we're able to provide a residual kill for up to 24 hours on surfaces treated with pure hard surface. So we're very user and environment friendly versus the other chemistries, which are highly toxic, irritant to users, irritant to customers in a food service environment. With Pure Control, our direct food contact processing aid, the major comparison point is with peracetic acid, which is the primary intervention or processing aid used in the processing of poultry. Again, versus peracetic acid, we kill pathogens faster with a greater log reduction, and in particular salmonella, which is a particular concern to poultry processors. But also versus peracetic acid, again, we're non-toxic. Peracetic acid is highly corrosive to equipment. Peracetic acid has negative organoleptic impacts and a negative impact on yield. With Pure Control, we have no organoleptic impacts, no impacts on nutritional values, and we have either a neutral to positive impact on yields. So there's significant productivity opportunities for the operations as well.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Pure Bioscience?
www.purebio.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the LD Micro 10th Annual Main Event in Bel Air, California. With me again is Hank Lambert from PURE Bioscience, a publicly traded company with the symbol PURE, P-U-R-E. Hank, always a pleasure.
Thanks, Robert. Great to be with you.